Hey everyone, so this video is pretty scuffed, not my best quality work, so there's a lot of not good parts. There are parts missing, so sorry about that. This guy right here, the one that's talking to the mic right now, kinda deleted files and didn't record them, so yeah, sorry about that, haha. Not the best computer ever, whoops, but it's fine for our purposes. I mean, we want a not super good laptop, so this is perfect. Now, before we get to the fun stuff, attaching the AIO and whatnot, we do need to do some benchmarks. So guess whose phone decided to corrupt all of the video data that follows after this? Yeah, that was my phone. Well, anyways, let's just make this short. Basically, did 3 benchmarks, Cinebench, ID64, and Prime 95. Then I recorded the numbers for the temperature. Boom, here they are in this nice graph. And yeah, as you can see, I messed up the numbers for ID64 and Prime 95. Yeah, sorry. And yeah, so after this, we're disassembling the computer. So yeah, cool, enjoy the disassembly, I guess. Alright, so now that we're at the motherboard, it's time to attach the AIO. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to be using zip ties and duct tape. So now let's just take off the cooler. Alright, so everything is attached together. As you can see, it's all attached with duct tape right over here. Sketchy power supply methods. like over there, but it all works. At least I think so. So let's try it out now. So let's see. So first thing to do to get our mouse, so let's just get that over here, and let's just plug this in. Alright, next I'm gonna be plugging it in. Alright, and now it's plugged in, and then all we have to do is turn it on. So then let's see if it turned on the first try. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. No, let's just give it a few more. Alright, perfect, and I think it's turning on right now. So let's just, yep, right there. It's turning on. So then let's just give it a moment. Alright, so this time I do have the extra files, but you know, they're boring, they're repetitive, the mic quality is bad, so let's just discard all of that and I'll just present you the information myself. Alright, so first we have this graph. So this is the graph for the AIO. Yeah, as you can see, temperatures are pretty bad. Who would have thought that if you don't properly apply a cooling solution, it doesn't cool properly? Yeah, so yeah, the temperatures, they're not that good. But, and when we compare it to the air cooler, the stock cooler, yeah, there's a pretty big difference. You know, it was my fault. You know, I don't have the proper tools. But, you know, this is a learning experience. Who knows? Maybe I'll come back to this one day. But yeah, that's going to be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been a not great video, but, you know, trying to get it out there. It's fine. It's an interesting concept, interesting idea, you know. So yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So alright guys, see you later, maybe like a month. Goodbye.
Gonna have to choose.